Alright, I have been laboring over this cab for quite a bit here and trying to figure out where I wanted to end up. Well, the glue job was really my problem, and ultimately I came up with gluing it in place and then putting some JB Weld on the back of there. I'm pretty happy with how that come out, and of course finding where that is gonna set. By the way, I'm gonna be able to put, what I want to do is put my battery in there and obviously have all my electronics probably in the front, because the cab is pretty much going to be blocked off. I don't want this to come off, but I did add a little bit of a detail in the grill. That aluminum piece is going to not be there. That's just to get my ride height for that. But as you can see, I've got a little bit off camera. Unfortunately, I'm not really good at showing my progress of building, but that I'm not upset with. And then the trailer was just one I had. I think I'm probably going to build a 2-car trailer for this. Kind of going for the hauler. Well, not kind of. I'm going for a hauler on this one. But there she is in her glory. I can't say that I'm unhappy with that. Probably, it almost screams for some running boards here. So, I'll have to look into that. I'm also going to do some sort of a headache rack. But I didn't want to leave this hanging. Definitely struggled with gluing that. The 3D stuff, I don't know, just a lot of people say use super glue, and I've tried so many different glues, and I just cannot seem to come up with a happy medium on there. I do not have the other side done back there for the fender, but I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know, maybe I can put a 3D welding rig or something. I don't know. What do y'all think? What does that scream? I kind of just let the aluminum speak to me, and well, that's where she guided. Let's get over here, go on the other side of my table, and see if that kind of gives us a little better of a wide-eyed view. I really like the Sen wheels. I've seen other people pick up on them. Sen wheels does leave a gap there, so I am gonna have to come up with something. Probably just use some plastic or whatever I come up with to kind of hide that inner fender out, or inner fender well up. But I got a little bit of cutting back here to do yet, and the hauler is gonna be somewhere. I did get the front drive shaft on. I can't see that, but did get the front drive shaft. I'm gonna have to get some electronics going, but I think she's gonna be mean looking. Didn't want to let you hanging. Finally trying to keep my feet to the fire here, because I know my projects, I've got so many of them, they just kind of gather. So, update on that one, and I'm happy with that. Again, I'll get that finished looking like the other side. Thanks for checking in.